Hey guys, Akari from Japan Food Channel. Today I will share just change the cutting style. We can change the taste of watermelon. Last weekend I visited to the farm and asked to him, is there any way to eat it deliciously? He said, yes, of course. So now I will share how to cut it to eat watermelon deliciously. Let's go! Let's start to cut. This cutting method is very easy to remove the seed. Put the knife vertically in a stripe pattern. Please don't mistake. It is very important point. This is a vessel that carries nutrition and water. In human terms, something like a blood vessel. There are seeds around this, so cut iron tube to help remove seeds. Let's add the cutting line so as not to make a mistake. Like this. After finished to make a line, let's start to cut. Let's make sure, is it really easy to remove the seed? Prepare watermelons to cut as usual to compare how much time you can remove the seed. It's the opening of the championship, how first seed can be removed. This watermelon cutting style is easy to remove the seed. This is normal cutting style. Let's start! What are you? Let's make sure, is it really removed all the seeds? Thanks to watch my video today. I also shared how to distinguish with delicious watermelon. Let's eat watermelon deliciously! See you in the next videos! Thank you!